Hello, hello, hi mabuhay, bago ka pumanaw, mapapa ang buhay, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl, welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video, we're here now, aha, saan tayo? Nandito tayo sa Tuy, Batangas, and it was so nature tripping. And bukod sa nature tripping, dahil summer ngayon, mag-aura-aura tayo, mag-e-emote tayo sa pa-basketball court, pa-billiard. Gusto mo meron tayo ditong tent, ayan, parang honeymoon lodge ang drama. At magsiswimming tayo nang makaiwas naman tayo sa mga nangyayaring init sa buhay. At kung bago ka pa sa akin channel, you can hit the notification bell para update ka sa mga upcoming videos. And don't forget mga ka-barber to like, share, and subscribe. So ayun na nga, kung meron kayong mga drama, hinaing, papahula, komento, libre bashers tayo. Just comment down below. So ayun na nga, may kambing. Ayan. So, this is our first content. Hello. Kamusta ka naman? Ayan. Medyo isnabera ang ate mong kambing. Ay, Diyos ko, nilalapitan niya ako. Baka magsalita. Bless. At meron tayong mga ka-outing. Parang ka-outreach. O, diba? May kambing, may ka-outing, may ka-outreach. Ganon. So, it was so simple na drama lang naman for our community, for the BHDC Bagong Himig at Diwa. And they are preparing. Busy sila. Hello, hello, hi mabuhay. Ayan, ganun sila ka-busy, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. So, this was the kitchen. It was so set up. And ayun na nga. As if you can see, nandito tayo sa Hyatt Hotel naman kanina with the kambing. And so far, they have the room out there. And as if you can see, meron tayo ditong pahingahan. Ayan, there have the nipa hut. Ayun si Yorme yung kamaway. Hello Yorme, medyo nagpahinga si Yorme ngayon. Nakasama sa outing, no? Can you imagine, minsan pahinga rin talaga ang kailangan ng tao. And we have our, kubo. Exactly. This one is for our suite. It was honeymoon lodge. And it was, kwarto lang po ito. Huwag tayo umarte, kwarto. Meron silang 2 kwarto rito. Isang kwartong malaki, yung pinakapangmayaman. May kaya doon. At ito po yung mga pang socialite. O, diba? So, meron tayong 2 kubo out there. As if you can see. And it was my room. So, ganun lang kasimple ang room. At ito na ang video okay area pack. Ganon. Laban yan. Yes. It was Taylor Sweet. SWIT. Sweet girl lang tundo. Oo. Kaya, ang lalim, grabe. Yes, this is it. Hello, hi, mabuhay. So, iwas may kasama, lahat kami bata. Parang akong guidance dito. Tapos ako yung guidance nila at principal. This is Ivor. Hi, Ivor. Hello, hi, mabuhay ka sa mga ka-barber, ka-sweet girl ko. And, yan, pakganan. And this one is the other room. And, ayan, ganyan yung mga pa-room ng emote natin. And again, nandito tayo sa Batangas, Tuy. And ayan, as if you can see, ganyan lang kasi ito yung kwarto pa. So, makakapaglibot ka naman around the area. And simple lang naman yung emote niya, pak ganon. Oh my God, this is it. We're heading the ATV at paakyat siya. Oh my God. Ayan. Oh my God! Experience having the ATV. Oh my God! Grabe yan! Grabe! Nakakaloka yung party ng pa. Angat siya. Thank you so much, Jay Amansa. Grabe, shout out. Nakakaloka yung experience sa ATV. Bongga. So, tapos lang namin mag-ATV. Ganit yung aso. Pasensya ka na kung iniwanan ka namin. Pero nandito na ulit ako, ang iyong ina, Eme. And thank you, Kuya Jimwell, for the experience of ATV experience. And yeah, this is it. At galing nga kami sa ilog, nagtrekking kami. So nandito na kami sa aming resort. Yeah, patapos na halos ang aming araw today. And we have to be blessed and thankful for our Creator to love someone or somebody for His gift of life. Mapi fulus, mapi walayala, yala, inshallah, shalom. So ganun pa man, happy lang ay maliligo and swimming pa tayo. Pakat! So this is the full area nga naman, umaga na at nag-aaliw-aliw pa kami. And it was so good day, good vibe lang. Mapiwalayala, masalam, salamalaikum, salam. Siya, tosya, kansahamida. Siya, yala, to dariba. Kalas, daghang salamat. Beat the heat, swimming tayo, enjoy lang tayo sa water. Yala!